Today we're going to be checking out the GD and GC rear knuckles from TSS Fab. These knuckles are obviously super well built. These things are just beefy, and obviously you can see there's a whole lot going on there. So these will replace your factory knuckles with obviously a very brute part. This thing is super heavy duty. You can see there's multiple parts there. Obviously this is where your hub bolts up, this is where your brake caliper will bolt up, and it all depends on what you want to do. So depending on what style brake or what brake in general you want to run, they can go ahead and make this work for you. This one in particular is for a 370Z rear caliper, and at that point it's all set up to fit that caliper and that brake rotor. So you can see kind of how that works. Heavy duty lower joint here. You got everything you need to bolt it up to your stock style suspension, but of course there's lots of other goodies you can get from TSS Fab to make that work perfectly for you, for a racing application, road race, rally, whatever you really plan to do with it. This is going to work great for you. Again, go check it out, tssfab.us. You can get these coated, powder coated in a variety of colors. There's some basic colors on there, and of course you can do custom colors as well, different geometries depending on what you plan on doing, and even a twin or dual caliper option for you folks that are trying to drift your Subarus. So really cool. Go check them out. All kinds of different options. I'll link it below, tssfab.us. Go check them out, and if you have any questions, go ahead and give them a call.